Samsung's 2018 Galaxy A Premium mid-range lineup has been a constant highlight in the rumor mill these past few weeks. After catching a glimpse of the Galaxy A8 Plus 2018 and learning its full specs, we then found out we can expect it, along with the smaller A8 2018, in January, at CES. And just when we thought there was little left to the imagination, a YouTube user dropped the high-quality hands-on video with the pair. The eye candy shots and visual tour around the devices is still very much present. The 2017 influences in the premium metal and gloss design are apparent. As previously rumored, however, there is no sign of a Bixby button on either handset. Although Bixby Vision is clearly still a part of the camera app. This could be a polarizing aspect for some, but, going by recent backlash, a sigh of relief should be the prevalent response. Both devices also sport a rethought and clearly more convenient fingerprint placement, as well as trendy new 18:9, ultra-wide Super AMOLED panels, complete with rounded edges. The video claims both phones have a native Full HD and resolution on their Super AMOLED Infinity displays, 5.5 and 6-inch in diameter, respectively. Both are powered by the Exynos 7885 chipset, with 2x 2.2 GHz cores and 6x 1.6 GHz ones and 6 GB of RAM. A cheaper 4 GB model is also expected. 3000 mAh and 3500 mAh batteries respectively, 32 GB/64 GB of built-in storage as well as a micro SD slot and an IP68 rating are also, allegedly, part of the specs sheets. The Galaxy A8 2018 and A8 Plus 2018 will be the first Galaxies with dual front-facing cameras to power Samsung Live Focus effects. The leaked specs show a 16MP f1.98 MP f1.9 selfie setup. The rear camera is a 16MP f1.7 shooter. Hopefully, this applies to both the A8 2018 and the A8 Plus 2018 as well. The video also showcases a face unlock feature, which appears to perform well, but just a bit slower than the one on the OnePlus 5T. We urge you to check out the clip for yourself. There are even some sample photos thrown in the mix. As for the rest of the scoop, on the Galaxy A8 2018 and A8 Plus 2018, we might have to wait for CES. Then again, units are obviously out in the wild already, so we'll definitely keep an eye out for more leaks and keep you posted.